Welcome back to What's Good Signal, where we take the opportunity to recognize different teams, different community vendors, or just different people that have gone above and beyond during these times that we're going through. And today I invited part of the business services team. I have with me today Martin Yescas, who is our VP Commercial Loan Officer. Welcome, Martin.
Well, thank you.
We have Stacey Westbrook, who is our VP of Loan Administration, Commercial Loan Administration. Welcome, Stacey.
Thank you.
And we have our very first remote onboarding new hire, Oge, who is our AVP and Credit Analyst. Welcome, Oge.
Thank you, Felipe.
These three individuals, along with Algenis, who you met maybe before on What's Good Wednesday, make up our member services team that's led by Louis Bird. And this team has been amazing during these times. They've been able not only to help out small businesses, but also help out our credit union stay alive by bringing in business and loans that are helping not only us, but the community. And I want them to talk about a little bit of how they're dealing with all this, not just professionally, but personally, because together they've been an amazing team and they really have stood out. You know, Martin is somebody who not only is a great leader in the company, but he is a leader in the community. He coaches youth basketball. He's been a mentor to the youth. Stacey has been with Signal for 10 years, basically, and has really been the backbone of business services, of keeping them online and together and able to help our members to the best of their ability. And Oge has been a wonderful addition to the team. She came to us from Kentucky during this crisis, joined us, and she just came to Kinston and saw our headquarters for the first time yesterday, I believe. So she is somebody who has joined us, and in the short time she's been with us, has already proven value to the team. So I really want to give them a chance to speak a little bit about what they've done and how they're dealing. So Martin, starting with you, can you share a little bit about how you've been handling all this and what you're doing to help you get through it?
Well, I mean, it's been a lot. I mean, getting used to working from home. You know, you go to the office once a week now, typically on Mondays. We're on a rotating schedule. Certainly with the pandemic and everyone's needs with business loans and with the SBA PPP program, we've been pretty busy. And so it's been really hard trying to respond to our members as quickly as possible, trying to get them onboarded, making sure we have the right documentation. I think we've probably taken close to 100 applications. All of them have been pretty much submitted as soon as we get the documentation. So the good part about it is that we actually are helping our members and the members in our community. And we've been able to, I would probably say that I'd have to take a look at some numbers, recent numbers, but it's probably between 60 to 75% of our loans have been approved. A lot of them are waiting to be dispersed, so we're waiting for some of the documentation, but we're still continuing to make sure we're reaching out to the community and the ones that are, inquiring about our ability to submit the SBA PPP loans. And so it's been really remarkable. A lot of work, a lot of late nights. Working from home, it's like you never leave the office, so therefore your work days are a little bit longer than it would normally be. Certainly has been a challenge. At the same time, it's also been kind of great to see how the teamwork has evolved with not only with just the business services team, but also with the branches and the member services, and they're keeping in touch with us and informing us when a member needs something or if they have an inquiry. Right now, it's everybody's worried. Obviously, not everybody's working, but the good thing that you see with all of these business owners is that they're actually more concerned about their employees than they are themselves. And so that's a good thing to see. Because it's everybody wants to make sure they're able to continue going to function as a business, but really for them, it's really how can I keep my people on my payroll, and so we're contributing to that little by little. In whatever way we can.
That's
because
awesome.
of the high. Yes.
That's awesome, Martin. And I think that what you've done has not only helped out the community, but your leadership in the credit union has helped out your team follow your lead in that, because the impact that you've made in the community in a short time really has been seen by a lot of people. So I thank you for that.
Appreciate it.
Stacey, can you tell us a little bit about what you're dealing with and how you're handling all this?
I am basically helping the loan officers, Martin and Algenis and Louis, get everything together that is being submitted for new prospects and the SBA PPP loans. So once they have that, I will get those over to our third-party vendor, and then they are approved, booked, dispersed, same day that we get the documents. It's been really, really challenging having the process. You want to make it happen faster than it's happening. And I think people have been really patient in trying to please everyone and help everyone. And to Martin's comments about long days, very long days.
Well, Stacey, I know you have a house with children and, well, grown adults now, but
Right.
you know, how are you handling all that?
Actually pretty good. My oldest is out working at 4:30. He leaves at 4:30 in the morning. And my youngest is, you know, a senior in high school. So he is doing schoolwork, and then they're still working. So
Well, congratulations to your senior in high school. I know that I have 2 seniors in high school right now, and it's a hard time for them, you know, to miss prom, graduation. These are milestone
Everything.
lifetime moments, but please congratulate him on his success for that. Oge, how about you? Tell us about how it's been with you joining a company without meeting people in person and driving from Kentucky. How's that been?
Well, you guys do a great job of presenting your personality via video. So it's been good. It's been a really good experience because everybody on the team is so helpful, not just on the work side, but also just on a personal level. The people you want to be around. I think transitioning to working here also meant for me like transitioning my life over to Maryland. And I think it's been a different time to move. It's different, but I think the key, the what's keeping me grounded or, you know, settled a little bit is really taking charge of creating my own atmosphere. Censoring the news, the whatnot, anything that you need to know about, like making sure that that's necessary and that that's not something that's just going to, you know, just linger and cause some kind of unsettling anxiety or anything like that. But, you know, I've really tried to be hard on not letting things in that could cause chaos, and been doing a good job of creating my own peace.
Well,
And
that's
this
great.
is a great addition to that. So thank you guys.
Well, and that's great advice, and that's very smart. I think, you know, whether creating that structure, making sure you don't let things get in that mental hamster wheel in your head, to Martin's point, making sure that you are doing things to get out and keep some structure in your life, but stay focused. You know, home life is challenging. Everyone's got stuff going on, but helping us get through it together. I know we're going to try to do a Signal trivia night next week to get everyone to do something after hours for fun. You know, it's being there for each other, whether it's for fun or just to relieve each other's fears or reassure each other. So thank you for all that you've done to help keep Signal moving forward. Thank you for helping our members and each other stay positive during this time. And thank you to all the essential workers. We cannot say it enough. You all are the ones that are putting yourselves at risk every day. Not just our Signal heroes that are opening our branches, but the medical workers, the grocery store workers, the liquor stores, the medical professionals. You're taking care of our family and friends when they're sick, and we thank you. So everyone stay safe, and we'll see you next week.
All right. Bye-bye.
thank you, Felipe.
Thank you, Felipe.